So I bought this 350Z and I'm trying to make it a reliable daily, but I may have bitten off more than I could chew.
Oh shit, here we go again.
What up, stubborn ones? Hope you're doing amazing. Hope you're out there making it happen
and smashing goals.
Another beautiful day. You guys saw I went on vacation. Bought the most clapped out 350Z in the Keys.
It's not even that it's clapped out. He just did his own work.
He clapped it himself.
Yeah.
He clapped them cheeks.
No, did he?
As you guys know, the thing's misfiring. Before buying it, I was able to go to Napa out there and they hooked it up to their little OBD2 scanner. But today, we're gonna do our own. Is that upside down? Damn it.
It's upside down, bud.
Upside down. There she is. Old Clapperina herself. It's misfiring, it's wrinkle wrapped. Something like this usually do to hide something.
That's suspicious.
Honestly, this rap is so bad that some kid literally said, he rapped that himself.
I wish I would have heard that so I could defend myself. Like, hey buddy, listen, I would never.
Sure, buddy. I could see it in your eyes. You're one of them different.
The bumper is coming off.
Both of them.
The fuck? When people pass by, I try to hide the car. Like, hey, don't look at it too long. the more you look at it, the worse it gets. Look, the more I look at it, the worse it gets. I didn't even notice this before. It's like, yeah.
Why did he even do that?
Let's hear a cold start though. If you close your eyes and just listen to it, it's beautiful. Today we're gonna find out if the GoPro's better or if the Insta360 is better.
Sponsor us, please. Yeah, there you go.
There it is. Let's do all. All right, scan complete, here we go. Let's see what we have here. We have the P0300, random multiple cylinder misfires. That sucks. New key or key unmatched. P1615, I don't know what that means. Not worried about that one though. C1109, battery voltage abnormal. Fucking planes and trains and automobiles. Cool thing about Blue Driver is that it tells you a lot of information, even has the link to get the parts on Amazon. That's freaking amazing.
That's sick.
I'm going through Rock Auto though. Ladies underwear. Whoa, that was me. In hopes that to fix the misfire, I'm just gonna order spark plugs and coils through Rock Auto because they're the best. Also, I wonder how I get my car in Rock Auto. I got so much crap from Rock Auto. I should have one of these. This is not even all of them. This is just when I started like keeping them. Look at all these. I need to find out how to get my car on there. Well, the wrap is hot. Perfect time to get rid of it. Peekaboo. Thank God this guy didn't know what he was doing, because this shit is so easy to come off when you find the homie that says he can do it for cheaper. This comes off so easy. So far, so good. First piece, it all came off in one piece. That's awesome. Yeah, gonna make a car girl out of you.
It's hard.
It's okay, man. This is free labor for me. Keep going. Bombastic side eye.
Criminal offensive side eye.
I think I've said it before. If you have kids, get them involved. Makes it easier on you.
You have
Oh, okay. It's free labor and it's good bonding time. Chop, chop. And if this was China focused, determined, I gotta poop, underpaid. Not paid at all, actually. Good job. Zebra girl. Oh, that's lovely. That's beautiful. No rust. I don't know if you can tell, but some parts are like really shiny and some aren't. It sure looks like it was spray painted now.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
This is when it hit me. This whole time I was thinking the wrap was pulling up the clear coat, but this is when I realized this little bastard spray painted the whole car with some great value Walmart paint. Let me remind you, this was the same little bastard that told me the paint underneath the wrap was perfect and proceeded to show me some bullshit picture of the car. Probably from 10 years ago. Man, I'm glad I lowballed that little f***. If you got a clap 350Z, look out for me. Oh, Hogan, we coming for you, nigga. Here we go. Get excited, boys. Whoa, not like that. I know what I want. Where is it? There it is. There it is. Oh, I think I already have this one.
We already have that one.
What the? I got a repeat. I'm gonna file a complaint. We're gonna go ahead and change out all 6 of the ignition coils. Here's the part number, NGK. And of course, we're gonna change out the spark plugs. The dude said he changed it himself, but I believe that dude is also a piece of shit. So we're gonna do it ourselves. We just got some regular air filter. There it is. Just to add to the shit. Literal shit. Spray painted and all. I'm not gonna lie, I think this little fucker got me. He might have won in the end. I might have got scammed. Press the gas.
You hear that? EV. Look at those RPMs fly.
So that's a thing. No acceleration. Nice. We got a 50,000 mile paperweight, basically. I was trying to move the car over to the shaded area because the sun is already blazing. It's only like 9 o'clock in the morning. Got in the car, started fine, sounds good, hit the gas, doesn't move. After that, I proceeded to cuss out the kid that sold it to me and his grandpa and his mama. His whole family tree sucks. Task 1 complete. There's also this little thing that holds the cable in there. Gotta open it up. Whatever, you'll figure it out. Gotta remove the air box. You probably never seen one like this. This is a stock one. This is what it looks like when it comes from factory. Everything is stock. This little bastard could only afford to clap out the exterior. None of the videos that I saw online had this stock box on it, so that's crazy. I freaking hit my head on this thing like 5 times. This is garbage. I know the kid touched this himself because look, missing bolts. Shit's not plugged right. The air box was freaking folded in here. Probably air escaping out of this. Look, everything here is loose. This dude sucks. He needs to retire from cars.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, so we took a little break, had my big morning dump. Now my mind is cleared. So I'm gonna stop cussing this kid that I bought this car from. That's not what you guys tune into this YouTube channel for. If you wanna see me cuss him out, go to my Instagram page. There's no filter there. Fuck that kid. I'm sorry, I'm joking. Got a Stubborn Ones crash out before GTA 6. That's wild. We're gonna get to it. We're gonna knock this thing out. It's a couple bolts, ignition coils, easy peasy nut squeezy. This sucks. Look how hot it is out here, bro. Everything is steaming. Got our big ass fan, which is gonna blow more hot air up our butts.
My balls was hot. I understand.
This is how you gap a spark plug, by the way, for you kids that don't have dads out there. Damn, that's fucked up. All right, I'm gonna chill out this one. Well, you're gonna start at the smaller. You don't wanna just go straight to the 44. You could tell that's what most of my cars are because it's I don't know if you can see, but it's like marked right there. You don't want to just go straight into it because it might damage
the plug.
So you're gonna start at the lower end and you're gonna stop at the, it looks like it's at like 4.3 right now. And you come back this way. If you have to go up a little bit, you would have to slide it in here, right there, and go up. I'm not doing it. If you have to go down, make it smaller, you go on this side and push in. These came pre-gap. NGK is pretty good at that. You also don't need the anti-seize. They have some kind of special lubricant here. So, you know, while you're doing this, have clean hands. Don't finger f it. We're gonna have to do a lot of censoring this. A lot of censoring in this video. Poop! Get poop mouth! Get poop out of your mouth! Now Danny's gonna do the rest. Where is it?
It's like 6'7". Yep.
Alright, I think we get the point.
Yeah.
All 6 of these were done.
Oh wow, purple brown.
Look how pretty that thing is. It was worth the 40 bucks, I guess. This one looks like a little beefier. It's like you versus the one she told you not to worry about. This guy, look, I think he changed 2 into some cheap, probably eBay ones. See right here? Everything else is Denso, and these are like nothing-os. Fucking Chinese-os.
Ooh, that one's bad.
Finally, everything is back together. Everything is buttoned up, except the strut bar. I'm gonna paint that black or shine it up a little bit, make it look nice. But we can start this car now. First, I'm gonna plug in the blue driver, clear the check engine light. We can't drive it because the accelerator is not working at the moment, but we should be able to see if it's misfiring still. As you see here, this is a rubber stopper that makes contact with the gas pedal. This is the reason the gas pedal's not working. Fuck that kid, or nah? Or am I over exaggerating? Here we are, we're connecting here to the sensor.
One eternity later.
Boom, there we go. All done. Go ahead, start it up. Sounds much healthier.
Oh, I'm lying.
Psycho. Well, everything's back together. Car sounds better. Little rubber stopper piece is broke now, so that's throwing a check engine light. That's on the way. That'll get fixed soon. Then we'll go for a test drive. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. More 350Z content on the way. More of Danny doing all the work on the way. It's hot. I need water. I need AC. There's sweat drip dropping down my ass crack. We gotta get out of here. See you guys on the next one. Peace out. Puto. Oh wait, that kid is a puto.